Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a box and whisker plot in Google Sheets. So let's begin. First open your data, see this minimum equal MIL A to A11, press enter. Apply the same process for Q on first equal, press enter. Median, first Q3, maximum, press enter. And now see this formula. Okay, then see this type simple table. Okay, then equal, press C on or press enter, or press equal, select, press enter. Apply to the same process. High equal high 95, press enter and close equal close, press enter. Okay, select level and scores, go to insert tab, chart, setup, find candlestick chart, customize chart style, chart axis and titles, horizontal axis, vertical axis, or switch rows and column. See this, Google Sheets does not have a built-in box and whisker plot chart, so in this tutorial we'll use a candlestick chart as a simple alternative to visualize the data distribution. Thanks for watching.